Fingal's Cave is one of the most extraordinary, symmetrical masterpieces located on the uninhabited island of Staffa in the Inner Hebrides of Scotland. The cave is popular for its neatly shaped hexagonal columns made up of basalt that join together to form the walls, and also its natural acoustics. This magnificent gift by nature is known to have formed due to the contraction and fracturing of solidified lava, which led to the development of hexagonal fracture pattern. Besides, the naturally formed arch roof helps in producing hypnotic melodic keys as the ocean waves reverberate against the basalt walls.